Honorable guests, my colleagues, I'm very honored to have this opportunity to share with you my views. Our hospital is in Shunde, the capital of delicious food. So we are one of the youngest among all the hospitals. So 9 days of establishment. So we work to achieve the health of women and try to create the comfortable and professional environment for the treatment and service. And thank Haifu Group help us to build this team and environment. So when we sitting for today's conference, we all feel that Haifu technology should be the best or the most powerful technology composed offered by a team so far. So since May the 8th, we have now 300 cases, and most of them are successful. And so by the 1st of July, we have a successful 106 cases, and last week 18 cases. So these successful achievements and the rates should be contributed by the powerful technology. And the treatment types of our hospital are similar to most of the other hospitals. So I have heard a lot of experts' presentations on their exploration of the different diseases. So one of the things I feel very happy is that the focused ultrasound business is very popular for us recently, and it does not influence the other traditional and other surgeries. So it means the focused ultrasound surgery actually can bring the other surgeries also go up to the trend. And this is a video about the founding ceremony of our group. So I would like to share with you this video. But we need to work with each other and join our hands. So I was invited on that day to share with you on today's conference. So I would like to share with you the case of the combined treatment of uterine adenomyosis using focused ultrasound ablation in traditional Chinese medicine and manipulative therapy. So this is maybe one of our features so that we can use this solution to help more women. So this is the first case, 42 years old, and admitted to the hospital due to menorrhagia with dysmenorrhea for more than 6 years. So, and we can see the patients without any birth of the babies. And about the past medical history, and he was a lower limb thrombosis. And following a miscarriage, and a medication was given. So we give her the examination, and we use the traditional Chinese medicine to do the adjusted work to help him to prevent the anemia. And you can see this is the lesion is big. So from the MRI image, the uterine, the upper part of the uterine, as you can see from this slide, the size of the adenomyosis in the posterior wall was big, and much was not clear. And after the diagnosis of the Haifu group, so we decided that to give the Haifu treatment to this patient so that this will boost the confidence for the following patients. And with the lower limb spans of the patient, we also offer her the Haifu treatment. And he was strongly to urge preservation of the uterus and and with this individualized and comprehensive treatment, she felt good before the treatment. So we have a very strict pre-operation requirement. And when the patient feel hungry before the operation, one of our doctors would offer them some health package when they are preparing for this operation. So the doctor prescribed some traditional Chinese medicine to help the patient feel better before the operation. So the patient can take this traditional Chinese medicine, which will help her feel better. And also, she felt that it is not a kind of a loss of time when she is waiting for the surgery or the treatment. So we combine this TCM treatment into our HIFU treatment. And also we give the prescription of TCM to these patients. And we could take this as a long-term management to our patients. And the outcome is good. And the patient I mentioned, there are some other discomforts of this patient, so we also give her the pelvic adjustment treatment so that the patient feel that the doctors are showing their care for these patients in a holistic view. And this is the preoperative radiography showing the rich blood flow. And in the process of the treatment, we're very patient to give her the information and the corresponding treatment. And finally, she finished this treatment successfully with a satisfactory outcome with a total length of 145 minutes. So on the 1st of July is an important day for us, so the founding of our party. So this is supposed to be served as a gift. And the patient's lesion has shrunk from over 100 to 90 millimeters with very good spiritual minds. And so she feels very grateful for our team. Only 1 month operation, we can see a very good outcome. The doctors and nurses and all the working staff are confident and know more about this technology. So in many of the national and international conferences, we try to communicate and learn more about this technology. And hopefully in the future, we're going to combine HIFU technology with TCM and to do a better work in curing the woman's health. And here I would like to thank HIFU technology, empower us to contribute. Thank you again.